guys, super excited today. Today we are down at Omeo and we are doing Eli's first junior open water dive outside of his junior open water course. He got PADI certified like 2.5, 3 weeks ago, and we haven't been diving yet. It's been freezing, the water's been horrible, but today looks like it's gonna cooperate with us. We just put our breakfast in the oven. Normally we'd tuck them up under here, but I think that's probably gonna be too hot, so I'm gonna probably just tuck them up here. It's gonna hopefully cook these guys so they're not frozen when we get out the water, and we're gonna eat that when we get out, and hopefully it's nice and warm, because yeah, it's freezing. You excited for today?
Sort of.
It's sort of. Are you nervous?
A little bit.
Is it cold?
Yes.
Yeah, right. So Eli's got his little 10-litre tank serviced. I got my 12-litre. I got pink. He's got teal. That's the one. Thank you. Absolutely pumped with that. Next time you see us, we're going to be getting in the water. So let's swap to the GoPro. That was that dive done. The viz wasn't actually that great, and the conditions were freezing cold. But when we got out, we did manage to have our English muffins waiting for us that Mandy prepared. Mandy's been cooking a lot of stuff. They were freshly milled and frozen the other day, so we just put it in the engine bay, let it warm up, and they came out and they were warm, which is super duper great.
Yeah, that's good. It's nice and warm too.
Unfortunately, conditions not so great. Didn't see too much, couldn't really see the wreck, and that's a bit of a shame, but I'm happy to get out and just work on some of Eli's diving abilities, and the only way to get better is to just keep doing it. Came home, got everything cleaned, everything's hanging up, everything's washed, and we have enough air in the tanks to do another dive like that for both of us, so definitely looking forward to getting out there. But the water is cold, we do not have appropriate winter wetsuits, and yeah, that is, I think that might be the last winter dive for him. I'll probably do one because I'm a sucker for punishment, but it's not fair to make him do it. Otherwise, he might not enjoy diving by the end of winter. So, yeah, I'm going to wrap the video up here, guys. Take it easy, stay awesome, and remember, you can't fail if you try. See you later. All right, that's your one. This is my one.
I'm hungry.
Is it good?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's good. It's nice and warm too.